The Conservatives seem to be back to the approach they were taking before Christmas with their willingness to obstruct the Justice Committee, and it's immensely frustrating at this late stage in the process because we are trying to collaborate. We have seen requests from the Conservatives to shift the definition of hate in the bill. We're willing to accommodate those. We have seen requests to change the requirements around the role of the consent of the Provincial Attorney General. We're willing to accommodate those requests. We've seen calls to make clear that you're not able to classify reading religious texts as hate. We're willing to accommodate that, and we would be willing to put text directly in the bill to indicate that the willful promotion of hatred is not including reading religious texts or ordinary practice of faith. And what we're seeing right now is that none of these complaints were actually what their opposition to the bill was about. We want to establish a standalone hate crime in this country to ensure that we recognize that hate is not limited to the doorsteps of our religious institutions. We are hearing complaints from the Jewish community who are seeing assaults take place in grocery stores and harassment on university campuses. We are seeing the queer community afraid to hold the hand of their partner for fear that they're going to be attacked for who they are. We are seeing racial communities who continue to be targeted for criminal behavior on the basis of the color of their skin. We want to move forward with a law that will help protect all communities against hate, and it's sad to see the Conservatives are willing to obstruct the criminal justice agenda more broadly.
Just to be clear, you are willing, your government is willing to clarify the role around some of the concerns you've heard around the removal of religious defences in the bill, and what would that clarification look like?
So I spent a lot of time over the holidays engaging with leaders from different faith communities, and some are very supportive of the Bloc's proposed amendment. Some have raised concerns. We want to ensure that as we move forward with a proposal from the Bloc, that we accommodate some of the concerns that we've heard from religious communities who don't believe their religions constitute hate, but want to see that clearly reflected in the text of the bill. We would entertain amendments to that effect, but it seems in our dealings with the Conservative that they're saying there is no accommodation that can be made on the concerns that we're raising and are going to choose instead to obstruct.